Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the Siri's language on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is go visit your settings, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the Siri and search right here, and then you just need to go click it. And now there will be several options about the Siri sections, and you will see a language right here. Now you just need to go click it. Now you can just choose the language that you want to use for your Siri language. And after you found the language, just go click it and confirm that you want to change the language. And after you're done, you just need to go back, and your language of the series now is already changed. You can also change the Siri voice because every language will got their voice options. So that's the way, guys, how to change the Siri's language on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.